Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe my TikTok PH. Thank you so much!
Hello students! Happy learning! Okay, so ngayong araw na ito, magkakaroon po tayo ng Mathematics Grade 10 review sa inyong darating na periodical test. This coming September 23 and 24 sa Monday na yon. Okay, so at the end of the presentation, kayo po ay matulungan sa inyong pagre-review. So, ano po ang kailangan i-reviewin natin? Sa multiple choice 50 items, nakapaloob po dito yung most learning competencies na kung saan tinuro po ng inyong mga mathematics teacher sa grade 10. So, ngayon, bago tayo magsimula, may I request everyone, grade 10 students, to get your scratch paper or papel and ball pen para makasabay po tayo sa ating pagre-review. Are you ready, grade 10? Okay, let's start. For number 1 to 5, okay, ready? For number 6 to 10, continue. Next, number 11 to 15, ready? Continue for number 16 to 19. Next, we have 20 to 25. Ready? Continue for number 26 to 30. Ready? Continue for number 31 to 35. Next, we have 36 to 39. Ready? Next number, 40 to 43. Next, for number 44 to 46, ready? Okay, for the last items, number 47 to 50. Continue. Okay, so with that, so I hope na matulungan po tayo sa ating pagre-review sa inyong grade 10 Mathematics Periodical Test. Okay, so kung hindi pa po natin na-master ang ating mga lesson, okay, pwede niyong balikan at i-reviewin po ulit ang ating multiple choice test. Okay, so with that, grade 10 students, happy learning and God bless to all of you. Bye-bye.